Good day, Jeff here from the National Weather Service. It's Sunday, November 3rd. Snapshot of the week here. We're really focusing on later half of the day on Monday, and especially that Monday night into Tuesday, where we're seeing some pretty good indications for impactful mountain snowfall. Here's a look at the precipitation chances. As you can see, they increase pretty quickly as we get through the day on Monday, with likely precipitation by Monday evening in most areas. Continuing that on through Tuesday, and then we drop off those chances pretty quickly on Wednesday. Temperatures starting out pretty mild on Monday, cooling off into Tuesday morning, a little bit more of a warm up again on Tuesday, and then a pretty good cool down as we go into Wednesday. Snow levels, kind of the same trend as we're seeing with the temperatures, where they're somewhere in that 4,500 feet as we're get into that Monday afternoon, dropping down to a lot of valley locations around 2,500 feet on Tuesday, and then even lower on Wednesday. Here's a look at what we see for the lower end and higher end snow amount chances just across the region. As the image shows, most of the precipitation is expected in the mountains for this one and over mountain passes. And we really need to get into that higher end to start to see some snow accumulations in the valleys, although we do have some light accumulations in the valleys above around 2,500, 3,000 feet. Some snow cross-section roadways that we're looking at, it really points out the lack of snow that we're expecting in the valleys. And then as we start to get some elevation, we start to see those snow amounts increase. And this is looking for Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon, but again, most of this is more of a Monday afternoon through Monday night. Marias Pass really stands out on this one in Essex, and same story looking at I-90. Lookout Pass really stands out with the 8 to 11 inches. Going down the Highway 12 corridor in Idaho, we see, again, low elevations not really standing out as much, but still some accumulation in there and some bigger ranges because there is really a lot of potential there where the lower end snow amounts are pretty low. If one of the colder models comes through, that these higher end amounts could happen. Lost Trail Pass, not quite as much snow, but still has some accumulations. And going more into southwest Montana, not really seeing much in the way of snow. Probably still some impacts and maybe some icing up conditions we'll need to watch, but a little bit of snow in the forecast. McDonald Pass, 1 to 3. And then trying to hone in and narrow in on the timing. You can see that once we get to Monday afternoon, we really start to see that main focus of snow show up. Here's Lookout Pass, Lolo Pass, Marias Pass. Whitebird Hill shows up for that Tuesday morning with some snow accumulations. Lost Trail, Homestake, just a couple periods here. Might be a little bit underdone. You know how the models struggle a bit over there. And then looking for the outlook, 6 to 10 day, which would be November 8th through the 12th. Early on, seeing kind of in between where we might be around normal, depending on how the valleys and mountains kind of play out there. Valleys might end up being actually a little below normal on temperatures with the high pressure developing. And then as we get past that, it looks a little bit more active again with below average temperatures showing up. And right on the edge of above or below for precipitation for the 6 to 10, but 8 to 14 days, that November 10th through the 16th, going back to above average is what we're seeing for precipitation. Really just focusing in on that Monday afternoon, Monday night for our weather system. We'll need to look a little bit closer at the valleys to see, do we have any moisture left in showers for some impacts on Tuesday and Tuesday night? Maybe some here and there, but again, mountain passes really stand out. If you have any questions, please let us know.